All right, guys, today you're going to be making a wrinkle paper project. This is what my example looks like, but let's get into the details of how you're going to make it.
Yours does not have to look like mine color-wise, but you're gonna make it in a similar way. And all I did is I took a piece of white paper. First, make sure you write your name on it. So take a pencil and on the back, write first name, last name, room number on the back of it. Flip it over, and then you're gonna take this piece of paper and you're gonna crumple it up. So you can crumple it as much or as little as you want. The more you crumple it, actually, it's more work. And maybe you like that, maybe you don't. Try not to rip it. I ripped mine like a teeny tiny bit, but you don't want to be ripping it because you'll have to tape it back together. You want your paper to stay one piece. So now you can see all of those wrinkles. Okay, so on the wrinkles, you are then gonna take a thick Sharpie, and they're on the front table in a red basket. And with the thick Sharpie, you are going to trace over where all of those wrinkles are. So you can connect them and make them all shapes. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm gonna leave that up to you. But I connected all mine and made them into closed shapes, but maybe you want yours to look different. That's totally fine. Okay, once you're done going over all of your wrinkle lines with Sharpie, you are then going to grab the basket of Crayola markers from under the front table on that bench and pick a color scheme. It could be just completely random if you want, and you could just use all of the colors. For me, I did the rainbow. So I did like from pink to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I'd even added some red violet up here. Okay, so I did mine that way. I left some white spaces, but not a lot. You can color every single section if you want, but you don't have to, okay? And I want you to see how neatly I colored. So what I did is I outlined the shape that I colored in, and then I picked one direction to color for my coloring marks. You can see this one, I did vertical, and I stuck with that. We don't scribble in a million different directions in there because it will show and it will look very sloppy. So, super easy project, but if you take your time on it and do it well, the end result could be really cool. So that is your assignment. Like I said, it is graded, so take your time and do your best work on it.